Hello, Power and Cherries. I'm here in our factory to introduce our filling machine and capping machine, and the final one is the labeling machine. Today I introduce you these three machines. Firstly, we turn around and see this filler. This filler is designed for viscosity products such as honey, butter, paste, or sauce. Is Lobe pump filling system with automatic two heads tracking. So we come back side of the machine. This is the hopper of the filler. Here we are storage the product, and it with heating and mixing for option depends on your products. Also, you can connect this hopper into your mixing tank for automatic filling products. And inside of here is the two rotor pump. This will dosing the quantity of the pump the products. Is driven by servo motor. This machine is very easy for cleaning. You can connect with your CIP system for automatic cleaning. And this hose is for outlet of the cleaning liquid. And here's the HMI. Is password protected. So we can switch to English. Okay, we can see the total manual interface of the HMI. Here's manual. Parameter setting. I'm not allowed for setting. Monitor. Recept not allowed. And then this is for cleaning. This cleaning when you finish your production. When you want to clean the machines, you can use this function. And this alarm now is not finished yet, so this should be in English. And wait alarms. This page will show why is alarm and what's the problem. It's a manual. Okay, here's front of the filler. Is two filling nozzles. Later I will show you a working video by another, maybe on YouTube or by email. And this is the automatic checking capping machine. It's also a flexible capper with a long stop working when capping the bottles. It's also driven by servo motor. this is the labeling machine. This labeling machine is for front and back labeling. The HMI is Siemens. Also the motors is servo motor. I will show you a video